Okay, we are back with the cutter, and because it should be from here, it should. Yes, let's cut directly this part. Or we can also just block with tape. Okay, that's something bad happened. Because there is a capacitor somewhere, I have touched and I got shocked. So this is really something you guys have to take care. It's not the first time, honestly, that it happened to me. It happened even before when I did for the other camera, so please pay attention. And so we can tape it, it's easier. So I have here with me this one, the short tape. Take a piece, we cut, and we put inside. Okay, this way. So it should be okay, should be. So the next step is to put back the button and understand how was it done to allow to go back, because if you see in this position there is nothing that push the button itself up.
Hold up.
So I'm facing now this really big problem, and I need to understand what can be the best way to do that. But this model has also a button here, you see. Okay, I need to understand if this button is button that allow me to extract picture or not, because in that case we avoid directly. This one we don't care. Even if I have to be honest, if we don't push, only when pushing we have we activate the button, so probably we even can avoid this little spring here. Let's try without, because I'm facing issues and I don't know how to solve it now. So we close, avoid to put the little spring, and now let's put back all the screw